very unfortunate today that an accident happened, and it took so much time for the cops to respond, and even for the ambulance. Ambulance has still not turned up. We spoke to the cops. Cops also took some time to come in. I had to call Vinay, the ex-serpent, and Amber Amolkar, who's also the punch member. These guys are the ones who actually reacted to my call and arranged immediately for the cops to come in so that they could pick up this patient and take him to the hospital immediately. I'm really disappointed by the entire episode because ideally in this scenario the cops should have reacted immediately and they should have taken the patient immediately to the hospital, and let's hope that he is all right. We all stopped, but we couldn't do anything. We couldn't even move him because he had a head injury, and moving a patient during a head injury is very risky. So we kind of avoided that. Only thing is we told people not to give him water, and we kept talking to him so that he's still in his senses. We just ensure that everything is okay.
So but till last moment, exact 108 not reached.
No. We are
how
still.
He is police.
So finally, what happened was since Amber and Vinay called up the cops, they came in, and we requested the cops to take him in the police van itself because we can't hold on having this guy lying on the ground and bleeding profusely. So it is really bad for us. So we ensured that they take him. So now they have taken him to the hospital. Hopefully he should be.